Hey y'all, today is day 18 for the advent calendars, and here is the Ipsy advent calendar. And day 18 is a big box, and it feels empty, but I can see something in there. Oh, these are the Gimme Beauty hair things. You know, they won't get caught in your hair. They keep your hair from breaking. There are 10 in here, and there's a variety of color. Looks like there's black and clear and a yellow and like a tortoise brown. There's probably 2 of each, except maybe there's red in the background. I can't really tell. But those are very nice, if you know, for ponytails or putting your hair up in a bun. It keeps your hair from breaking. So that's very nice from Ipsy. And day 18 for Space NK is this one here, and it says, "Hello, Santa's Little Helper." And let's see what's in there. Excuse me. Oh, this is so pretty. Milk makeup. Look how pretty that packaging is. This is Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. And what's really pretty. Oh, how cool. It has like water and oil in there, if you can see that. And when I took it out of the package, it's sort of mixed together. So I suppose you'll shake this to use it. Very, very pretty packaging. So Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Spray. This dual phase setting spray will help keep makeup in place for up to 12 hours. Very, very pretty. And it has a nice pump to it. See how it's separating now? Really pretty container. So that is our calendars for today. Count your blessings. There's 18 from Ipsy. Hard to catch this because of the glare, but there are 10 in that package. Cute little Ziploc package. And day 18 from Space NK is our Milk Grip Set and Refresh Spray. Beautiful turquoise color going on there. And there it is.